Hey, what's up, everyone? Show this Tiny Archibald autograph off a little better. It is number 5/99. Missed that last night. There's a sweet card from Panini. Status. There, I got some 2017 Spring Fever that I'm gonna open. But I made a trip to the scrapyard today, and it wasn't bad considering the prices. So, what did it weigh? What did it pay? BT2 is a battery, 16 pounds, at 14 cents a pound, $2.24. Aluminum, 51 pounds, at 40 cents a pound, $20.40. IAL is iron and aluminum, 15 pounds, at 12 cents a pound, $1.80. UBC is aluminum cans, 17 pounds, 45 cents a pound, $7.65. ZN is zinc, 7 pounds, 20 cents a pound, $1.40. INWI insulated wire, 10 pounds, 60 cents a pound, $6. TN steel, 180 pounds, $10.80. More steel, 420 at 60 cents a pound, $25.20. It's always 420 somewhere. EMF is electric motor, 37 pounds, 10 cents a pound, $3.70. Total paid $79.19. $15 spent on gas at $4.49 a gallon. Not bad considering, like I say, the prices. But let's see what's in this thing right here. I picked this up at Walmart. It's from 2017. And it was the only one on the shelf, so I didn't have a whole lot of money that day. I don't have my knife out here. I got out the door with it for $14. Either just under 14 or a little over 14. It's got 10 factory sealed packs, 1 special bonus card in every box. There are other videos of this out there and some in the past too, but I've noticed a few channels sharing, finding them, not many. We have an orange border, Jose Altuve, 1014 out of 5,000, yeah. Hits leader Jose Altuve stands tall in Houston. Onward and upward, Carlos Correa. Not bad. And we have Panini Golden Age 2013 Topps Series 1 Baseball, 2014 Triple Play, of course, 2015 Opening Day, pretty cool. 2004 Upper Deck Power Up, looks like 92, yeah, 92 Donruss. 2013 Topps Series 2 and 2009 Topps Baseball Updates and Highlights Hobby Pack. Alright, let's start with a 92 pack. I got cut up there, nick there, pretty good scrape right there too, and bruised my knuckle, all in one day. Thank you all, everyone that has recently subscribed to the channel. Rod Carew. If I haven't subscribed back to you, I just haven't noticed it. Mark Lewis, just leave a comment below here and I'll subscribe back. Jeff Blauser, Ellis Burks, Mike Harkey, Jose De Leon, Luis Polena, Hal Morris, Matt Marullo, Luis Gonzalez, Jack Morris, Chris Hoyles, and Brian Hunter. There, let's do 2013 Panini Golden Age. Billy Sunday. Headlines: St. Louis icon is 8th to reach milestone. Usual joins 3,000 hit club. That's a sweet card. Stud. Mario Andretti. And it is a caramel back. Bobby Richardson. Alexander Graham Bell. Oh, sweet. John Belushi. Star Power. For sure. Love that pack. Let's do the triple play. What year? I don't know what year it is. 2012. Yeah, I was having a crappy day yesterday. Much better day today. BJ Upton. Prince Fielder. Eye Black. Slugger. Matt Kemp. Focus. Another sticker. Power hitter. Looks like Albert Pujols. Andrew McCutchen. Evan Longoria. I was collecting McCutchen there for a while. Series 1 Topps 2014. Yeah, so all the comments and the people showing up in the live streams and all the live streams that I went to yesterday definitely helped. Matt Davidson, rookie card. There's a Mike Minor. Jamie Garcia. Robbie Erlin, rookie. Foley Madness. Luis Falber, Todd Hilton. Mark DeRosa, Nolan Arenado. Rookie cup card. Opening day. I gotta speed it up. Altuve, Ryan Braun, Alfredo Simon, Cameron Payne. That might be an insert. Johnny Gomez, Michael Walker, Garrett Cole. Put Altuve over there. He is a cheater. We can send him to someone. Ian Kinsler, Lonnie Chisenhall, Manny Machado. Hit the Dirt, Jose Reyes. Edwin Encarnacion, Alan Craig, Jorge Soler, rookie. That's a cool one. Came through clutch for the Braves in the World Series. 2004 Upper Deck Power Up. Barry Zito, cool. Brandon Webb, Jim Thome, Jason Smith, Sosa, Sammy Sosa, Bill Nevin, Orlando Correa, Bartolo Colon, sticker, little paper loss. Jock Jones, shining through. That's a cool one. Points card. Topps 2013 baseball. I have it about 4 minutes, guys. I had a feeling I should have deleted something. David Wright, David Murphy, Scott Sizemore, Ernesto Fry, Michael Kadire, Aroldis Chapman, sweet Jesus Montero, Kyle McPherson, rookie card, Lou Marson, Jason Hamill, C.J. Wilson, Joe Kelly. Yeah, I saved my packs too. I still have some packs. I think I found a box. I couldn't believe I still had it from back in the day. Phil Hughes. He has a YouTube channel, great YouTube channel. John Lackey, Brian Lavarnway, Michael Bailey's, Homer Bailey, Wilson Rosario, Making the Mark, Mike Moustakas, Chase It Down, Hank Conger, Luis Jimenez, rookie. James McDonald. John Lester. Jonathan LaCroix. And the last pack is 2009 hobby pack of 2009 baseball updates and highlights. Pretty cool to get a hobby pack from 2009. Could be an autograph in here maybe. Juan Uribe. Matt Diaz on the Braves. Carlos Pena. All-Star Game 2009. Trevor Hoffman, All-Star Game. Jack Wilson. Brian McCann on the Braves. Tops. Bring this card to light. Virtual card. Looks like a I have seen these before where there's silver in the back, so that could be a gold parallel. Heath Bell. Graham Taylor rookie card. And we have Jim Leyland and Tony La Russa, legendary leaders, star power, ×2. Nice. Alright, thank you for watching. I will try to go live again tonight around 10 p.m. or just a few minutes afterwards. So, thank you again. Hope to see you there. Have a great night. Thank you for watching. Take care.